It is Tuesday, November 14th, and just a little teaser, we got in a new shipment of Rios today. So this is just the beginning. We haven't even unpacked all of this. So the Rios wall will be fat and happy tomorrow. The freshman 15 came in while I was gone, which are these sparkly bracelets. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what's here. Call us, FaceTime us, and we will happily pick and show you each one so you can look at it. But I just wanted to show you. So all of the crystal ones like this are $65. So there's navy blues and teals and powder blues. Beautiful, of course. And then this one is lavender, purple, maybe some browns, creams. There's a teal one in there, gray, neutral. Awesome. Then we have, I love these, green, lime, all shades, hunter green on the end. I like that one. Beautiful. We have yellows and oranges and salmon. Gorgeous. And multis, 2 multis. I love my multi. I wear mine almost all the time. Then we have black and variations on the theme black. These are just more iridescent on the end, black and white, striped, and straight black. I wear my black ones all the time. These are grays and some with the flowers. The flowers are $155 with the flowers. So that's good. And then these, the links. The gold ones are more expensive, so I'm not going to quote any prices. This silver one that I'm showing you, the silver and teal right there is $305. The all more silver is $325. They're all in that range, unless that one on the end is multi all over. It's very fun. So those are a little more expensive. Gorgeous, gorgeous linked necklace, all different beads, every one of them. Awesome. Then she's done these are great. These chokers that are with a magnetic clasp. They're lovely. They fit beautifully, and they're so nice to wear. And she's done them in a bunch of colors. So blues, where are they? Here they are. So we've got brown, where's my hand? Brown, blue, gray, terracotta, gray, brown, green, charcoal, and that one. So we've got lots. This is gorgeous as well. This is teal with the links on the bottom of all multis. That is a showstopper. You need something for New Year's Eve? I think that might be it. All right, I just wanted to tell you about the Freshman 15. Oh, I remind you that it is a foundation. That's a true foundation. All the proceeds, every penny, all of the beads are underwritten. So every penny from the sale goes towards the foundation, which provides $600 worth of merchandise to start a young person who has gotten a full ride to college but does not have the funds to outfit their room. Sheets, bedding, towels, hot plates, other stuff that they may need. So $600 is that is their goal, to make sure these kids don't go to school with nothing, bare bones in their room. So it's a really good cause. Love it. All right. I think that's all I have. I'll see you tomorrow.